Hey you guys, morning. So live update tour here. I've got a garden. Started about 2.5 months ago. Originally just started with this tomato plant and a couple little melon plants in there. Needless to say, it's bloomed and it's still blooming. Yesterday I just put some corn in there. Germinated, of course. These were one day germinated. Look at that already. I've got some zucchini. I've got some frijole beans. All these tomato plants. Tomato, 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 tomato. And then just melons all back there. Kirby. We got a Kirby growing in the garden. You can find his videos on my channel too. Support him, subscribe, follow for the harvest. Thanks guys.